I'm Jordy with AT&T Spring, and I'm going to show you how to avoid cell phone ringtone scams. Okay, I'm going to show you how to avoid ringtone scams. First step is always read terms and conditions depending on where you go to download a ringtone on. Most trusted sites are going to be AT&T.com, Verizon.com, T-Mobile.com, and any other trusted company that provides cell phone service. Getting into a ringtone scam can be as easy as clicking accept without reading terms and conditions on websites out there that haven't been tested and trusted by your local service provider. Mixer.com is a great example of getting into a ringtone scam. By clicking terms and conditions, you not only get the ringtone that you agree to purchasing, but it comes with a monthly subscription of $10 a month that you might be unaware of. So definitely read terms and conditions before agreeing to any type of ringtone downloads, and use trusted websites such as AT&T.com.